After drawing the histogram, you can also draw a frequency polygon given for the given frequency distribution. To do that, you need to first find the class midpoint or the class mark. Now, the class mark for any class interval, if you remember, is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So if I apply this formula to each class interval, I will get it as, okay, let me just change the color of the pen. I'll get it as 25, 35, and so on. A frequency polygon can be constructed over the histogram. How do we do it? We join the midpoints of each of the bars. So 20 to 25, I'm just marking the class mark. Remember, you are drawing with a scale and a pencil, because of which you can accurately arrive at the midpoint. Once you have denoted the midpoints, you join them with a straight line. Again, use a scale so that it's as neat as possible. Right? Now, although it is left to the user of the data to represent the frequency polygon in any way he or she likes, generally most statisticians prefer to extend the frequency polygon to the next class mark on either side, so that the area under the frequency polygon is totally enclosed. So remember, it has to meet the x-axis at class mark 15 and over here on the right hand side at class mark 95. So the line in blue is what we call a frequency polygon. One of the advantages that these frequency polygons have over histograms is that if I have different variables that I want to compare, such as say pocket money for the 8th standard students and pocket money for students in the 10th standard, I could probably use another color to represent the frequency polygon for the 10th standard students in the same graph. On the other hand, I cannot possibly draw another set of histograms to show the frequency distribution of pocket money of 10th standard students in the same graph. I would have to prepare a separate graph. So that is one of the advantages that frequency. So if I wanted to compare, I could easily draw a frequency polygon of the weekly expenditure of the 10th standard students along with the frequency polygon that I have drawn over here, both in the same graph. On the other hand, drawing histograms or presenting histograms for the frequency distribution of 10th standard students will not be possible in this same graph. So that is one of the advantages that frequency polygons have over histograms.